Most investors think you need millions in the bank to enter commercial real estate. They're wrong. What 99% of investors don't know about commercial loans is that the bank often cares more about the property's income than your personal salary. That is the ultimate cheat code for scaling wealth. We've analyzed hundreds of high-yield portfolios and decoded the financing strategies used by the top 1% of wealth builders. We aren't talking about get-rich-quick schemes. We're talking about institutional-grade assets that pay you while you sleep. Today, we're stripping away the jargon. I'm showing you exactly how to navigate commercial loans, the best financing options for beginners, and how to leverage other people's money to unlock a consistent $10,000 a month in passive income. By the end of this video, you'll have the exact roadmap to move from small-time rentals to high-yield commercial assets that actually move the needle. Let's dive in. Most people start with residential, a duplex, a single-family rental. It feels safer. But here's the cold truth: the residential market is crowded. You're fighting over scraps, bidding wars, tiny margins, and for what? A few $100 a month after expenses. That's not building wealth. That's just owning a second job. Meanwhile, the top 1% are playing a completely different game. They aren't just buying properties, they're leveraging commercial financing to scale at a speed you can't match with a mortgage. But when you look into commercial loans, you hit a wall. The terminology is a nightmare. DSCR, LTV, balloon payments. It feels like a secret club where you don't have the password. So you stay put. You stick to the safe route. While you wait for the perfect residential deal, the real money is moving into multifamily complexes, retail strips, and industrial warehouses. Every day you hesitate is a day you're missing out on the scale that actually creates financial freedom. The gap between the residential hobbyist and the commercial investor is widening. And if you don't understand how the money works, you'll always be the one paying the rent, not collecting it. Here is the secret. Most beginners fail because they try to buy commercial property using a residential mindset. In residential real estate, the bank cares about you, your salary, your credit score, your tax returns. But commercial real estate, it's a different game. In the commercial world, the bank cares about the property. They want to know, does this asset generate enough cash to pay for itself? This is called asset-based lending. And once you understand this, the path to 10K a month becomes a math problem, not a salary problem. Let's break down your financing options. First, conventional commercial loans. These are your standard long-term loans. Usually, you'll need a 20 to 30% down payment. The bank looks at the DSCR, the debt service coverage ratio. If the property's income covers the loan payment by 1.2 times or more, you're in. It's predictable. It's stable. It's the foundation of wealth. But what if you don't have 30% down? Enter the SBA 504 loan. This is the cheat code for new investors who also run a business. If you occupy at least 51% of the property, the SBA can lower your down payment to as little as 10%. You get the building, you stop paying rent to a landlord, and you build equity in your own asset. Now, if you're looking for a quick win, there are bridge loans. These are short-term, high-interest loans used to acquire a distressed property, fix it up, and then refinance into a conventional loan once the value increases. It's high risk, but it's how the pros scale their portfolios rapidly. Finally, let's talk about the passive route. If managing a physical building sounds like a nightmare, you have two options. First, REITs, real estate investment trusts. It's like buying a stock, but the company owns malls, warehouses, and apartments. You get dividends without the toilets or tenants. Second, real estate crowdfunding. This allows you to pool your money with other investors to buy massive commercial assets. You get the high-yield potential of a $10 million building with a $5,000 investment. Whether you go the SBA route, a bridge loan, or a crowdfunding platform, the goal is the same: Stop trading time for money and start letting the asset do the heavy lifting. Now, I want to share with you a game changer. I've partnered with Real Estate Wealth Builders to offer you their commercial real estate investing course. This course has helped over 1,000 investors get started with commercial real estate. Students have reported an average increase of 20% in their rental income. By applying the strategies from this course, you can unlock high-yield potential and gain a competitive edge. As a viewer of this channel, you get 10% off the course. Use code COMMERCIAL10 at checkout. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your portfolio. Sign up now and start building wealth through commercial real estate. Click the link in the description to get started.